See if you can get that thing without killing us.
Hey guys, welcome to another Only Figure Fans video. Today we're going to be showcasing a couple blasters that Wolffepack Customs decided to send me. So these are resin printed custom blasters. So over at Wolffepack Customs, Austin prints out these amazing blasters and sends them all across the galaxy. So yeah, come and chill with us as we showcase these amazing blasters that Wolffepack Customs provided. So he sent me a Death Watch rifle, first seen in The Mandalorian. The E22 Specialized Blaster Rifle, made famous in Rogue One. The A3000 Modular Blaster Rifle from the Rebel Alliance. The DLT-19X Precision Rifle for all those pesky snipers. The DLT-20A Blaster Rifle for those long-range shots. The Electromagnetic Pulse Launcher for that Battlefront throwback. The RPS-6 Portable Rocket Launcher to blow some stuff up. And the tiny EC-17 Holdout Blaster Pistol. All these blasters are made with high quality resin and they look incredible for toy photography. Thank you so much to Austin from Wolffepack Customs for sending me these awesome blasters over. Some of them have tiny accents of color that really make the figure pop out. It's amazing what these fans can do. So if you want a high quality blaster, make sure to check Wolffepack Customs out at Instagram and Etsy. I'll put the link in the description. So I took a couple pics with these blasters and I'll show them right now. So again, huge shout out to Austin at Wolffepack Customs. If I had to pick out a favorite one from all these, I think it's a tie between the Death Watch rifle and the E22 Specialized Blaster Rifle. Both of them, well, I mean all of them just look jaw-dropping. So if you want to stock up your armory, make sure to check out Wolffepack Customs. So stay tuned for the next episode as we scavenge through the LEGO Slave 1 from The Mandalorian. Stay tuned, and thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.